Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today's a very exciting one because today we are going to do a very big modification on the BMW. Heck, we're even going to do 4 modifications at once and I'm very excited about this. So, I'm going to show already 3 of the other modifications, the other one you already knew about, but here we have Angel Eyes, finally Angel Eyes. Tinted windows and LEDs for in the Angel Eyes to use as my main light. So we got the Angel Eyes and we finally got all the parts that we need. The M bumper I already got for like a few weeks and I was waiting on the last parts to arrive and I finally got everything. And I was waiting till the weekend because in the week I have to go to work, and if I screw something up and I can't use my car to go to work, then I'd be screwed. So I decided to wait till the weekend. It's actually Friday already. And I have a free day today, so that's an extra nice thing. The weather is absolutely shit. It rained the whole freaking day. Now it stopped finally. But we are going to install the M front bumper and the Angel Eyes on the BMW. And it seems like the sun is coming through, which is just perfect. So yeah, there we have the BMW as always on its trustworthy place. And the fun thing is now that we have all the parts, also the parts for the M bumper, because I ordered them through BMW, and it took me a while to find all the pieces I needed. But as you can see here, I got everything. All the pieces you need to do an M-front conversion. They are there in the box and the foam. And here we have the M bumper waiting for installation. So yeah, you have a good look at this face because you will never see this face again after this video. This will be a totally different face. It will be amazing, and I'm very excited because this will make my car look so much different, and it will also up the value of the car quite a lot. Afterwards we have to do some little coding, but I also have all the equipment for that, so yeah, it's going to be pretty nice. And we have my friend with the E30 who was also there with the top speed run and the Beamer world video there. He just made a short appearance. He's going to help me because he's used to work on cars, and you know, I'm sure that I would have been able to do it alone, but it's nicer to have, you know, a second hand, someone to help you, and you know, if you screw up, that at least you have someone who can help you. So, and he knows a little bit more about it. So yeah, and afterwards we're going to give the car a wash because it's really dirty. There is even some dirt from on the roof on the car because it rained very hard today. But yeah guys, I am super excited for this modification. It will almost complete the M look of the car. The rear already looked epic with the double exhaust and the M bumper, but the front didn't. And the next part will be the side skirts. I already found them online. I already found all the pieces that I need, and I'm going to do the M sticker also, but I'm going to get it painted, so that will be much better. So now I'll be, you know, setting everything up for the conversion. I'm waiting on my friend, and then we can start the build. So yeah, so happy. So we have all the parts ready. I just have to get my working equipment, but here we got everything ready to go on the BMW. All the small parts, the bumper, we got everything. So it's going to be a freaking good day. Good on time, eh? Not really. God damn it. So my mate is finally here, and we started the build on the the F20. So yeah, we removed the rubber strip, and now we're going to remove all these bolts, and then we have to remove some bolts over here, the other side, and underneath. And then we can probably take the bumper off, install the Angel Eyes, install the conversion parts, and then we can install the bumper. So yeah, it's going to take a while, it's going to take a lot of effort, but we will succeed. So the bumper is off. It was not really a fun job. We had to make all these screws loose, and you know, underneath all this stuff, these two screws over here that go in here, they were the biggest a-holes because they were really tough to get to. But now I think we got the bumper off. We need to get some stuff off it on this one, remove the lights, and then we're off to go. Yes, our useless friend who should help, but I'm doing all the work.
Should help.
Yep. So yeah, the dog is also assisting us. She's going to eat up the bumper. Anyway, let's move on. So we have finally one headlight out. As you can see, the car looks pretty ravaged at the moment. But we finally got one headlight out. I had to take a wheel off because I just couldn't reach each bolt. But I had to drill out a bolt also because I just couldn't get a grip on it. He there destroyed the bolt, so I had to drill it out. And now we have to go to the store and get the same bolt again. Otherwise I can't reattach the other headlight, because I only can reach that bolt when the bumper and everything is off. And I don't want to have, you know, only 4 or 5 bolts connected instead of all of them. So yeah, now going to the store very quickly because they close in 30 minutes, and then we're going to install the first headlight, and then we hope finally to see a first result. We're also going to install these the M fitting parts, and then we're ready to go. But yeah, I'm very curious. It's taking a while. We're already busy for 2 hours. I'm taking everything off the bumper from this car. The fog lights are already installed. M grill, one of the two, is also installed. But yeah, it's taking a while. It's pretty long. I'm happy I have a vacation for the next 5 days, so I don't need the car. But yeah, it's a pain in the ass. So one headlight in, one to go. But you can see the difference is really pretty big. It's
Beautiful.
It's beautiful. So one light out, one in, one to go, bumper in, and we are ready.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a pain in the ass, but we are getting along. So as you know, that headlight is in. I already made it that it's the light beam is at a good shape. This one we're trying to remove at the moment, but same story as on that one versus that one. The screw won't come out and I have to drill it out, but my battery is dead from doing that screw. So the battery is recharging at the moment, so I have to wait until the battery is recharged and then I can remove that screw. But that's a very major pain in the ass. Those screws took me about 2 hours in total, I guess. So now we're going to remove the pieces that we don't need for the M front bumper, and then we're going to put on the pieces that we need for the bumper. So I already removed this piece over here. It was bolted in here and here. You need to remove it. You don't need to change anything else. This I already exchanged. It's just a different adapter piece with I think it's a temperature sensor over there, and here is still the old piece that I also need to exchange for the new one. But now I'm going to put that piece on right here, and then basically I'll only have to exchange that piece, and I have to install the air canals, but I can't yet do that because I have to install them on these here. So then I'm actually just having a small pause because I'm already busy for like 5 hours and I'm just tired. So yeah, so that's how we're going to do it. It's not a fun job. It's a pain in the ass, and I hope I only have to do this one freaking time, because yeah, it ain't fun. It really ain't fun at all. Yeah. So guys, we are actually 1 day late now because we kept working on the car and there was a lot of stuff just not going like it should. Some screws that just wouldn't come loose, and really lots of annoying stuff that really took a lot of time. And we worked like until 4 AM, and as you can see, it's a big ravage still over here. I need to clean all this stuff up. Yeah, all this stuff needs to be cleaned up, but the car is ready. We finished it yesterday. We took it for a test drive. We coded it. Everything works. And here we go. Ain't this a million times better as original bumper? I think wow, it looks so much better. Just go back to the beginning, compare it with that. I mean, this bumper looks so much better. And I'm going to switch cameras real quickly. But yeah, I have to put on the license plate from the old bumper, but I just want to enjoy this look a little bit, because a license plate, I don't think there should be a license plate on this car. I really want to drive without it. But first of all, we have the Angel Eyes here perfectly. They look original, except they don't have BMW here like these do. They have BMW here, and that's the only thing that can tell them apart from original. Otherwise they look exactly the same. The black kidneys look freaking good in this, and the nice thing is the fog lights. You can barely see them, yet they are there. So I didn't actually like the looks of the fog lights in the car, and with the black ones you can barely see the fog lights in there. And my camera hasn't got the best contrast, so you can't see them at all. But they are there. I mean, if I unlock the car but I forgot my key, then they just light up. If I can show you, see there are fog lights. They're just very, very dark. So yeah, they're very well hidden. I just love this look, man. This car looks so freaking good right now. It looks, yeah. Oh, this looks so good. And what did we do? Because we just went forward quite a bit. It's just plain forward, but it's not that easy as it looks. I mean, you have 4 bolts, and you can then take off the headlight, and then actually you just have to install the air canards. They're over here in the air duct, as you can see here. There is a small air duct there. There is a small air duct. If I turn on the flash, there is a small air duct, and that's actually all the stuff we got to do. And we just got to reattach the bumper. So it was pretty plain forward job, because we didn't have any instructions. Yet we did it pretty well. And yeah, this looks so freaking good. It's just a new car right now. The only thing that really the car really needs are the M side skirts, lowering, and 18-inch wheels, and then this car looks so freakingly good, and it needs a good wash. But yeah, this is it, man. This is how I wanted my car to look from in the beginning. And you know, with the black line lights, a little spoiler, and then the car will just be perfect. So yeah, as you can see, the car really has changed already quite a lot since we got it like 6 months ago. This week I owned the car for 6 months, so it's a nice happy birthday for the car. Yeah, I'm very, very happy with it. I'm just so excited. The car looks so freaking good. In the rain it looks so sexy. So yeah, man, I am this is one of those modifications that just make you love your car even more, because the 4 things that I love the most are the M rear, the straight pipe, the remap, and the M front. And believe me, if you put some nice lowering springs, but I'm going to do coilovers and stuff like that, 18-inch alloys, and nice side skirts, this car was already a looker, but then it will be just dope as fuck. So yeah, guys, I'm super happy. I'm gonna leave the video for today. I'm going to clean up because I have a lot of junk still lying around, and maybe I hope I can sell some of it, because I don't need all these parts anymore, and I have to clean up a little bit, because my friends, they drink and eat quite a lot, but I mean, they helped me for 12 hours, so that's the least I could do. So yeah, guys, I hope you liked the video. Please leave a like, tell me what you think about the Bimmer's new face, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.